Alright, Mike with Tom's Key Company here. I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on this Hyundai Elantra smart key fob. Now it's going to be very similar for lots of other Hyundai vehicles like Tucson, the Ioniq, Sonata, Santa Fe, and probably some others. So this is really easy. You can do it yourself. You'll just want to grab a little screwdriver and your new battery. First, take out your emergency key blade. Set that aside. Now in some of these you want to make sure you keep the buttons down while you do this. It just makes it easier to put back together in case they'll fall out. On this particular fob they're designed to not fall out, but some they will. Put your screwdriver in and you're looking for a slot right here. I've seen some people that use the tip of the key for this. I like to get a nice flat head though. And you'll feel it pop. Once it pops, you can lift it apart just like that. Got this rubber pad. We've got the actual smart. All right, there we go. And here's the battery. Now at Tom's Key Company, we provide do-it-yourself car key programming solutions. So if you need another key or fob, if you only have one, come check out our website. We've got lots of different vehicles available. We currently don't have Hyundai vehicles, but hopefully soon. So pop the new battery in there. As I said, it was a CR2032, and put it all back together. So come check out tomskey.com. See what we can do to save you a lot of money over a car dealership and getting a new key or fob made for your vehicle. Hope you have a great day.